Hi guys, welcome to a new location. In this 10th and last episode of season 3 of the Germany travel vlog series, we are visiting the largest city in the smallest state, sharing the same name. We are visiting Bremen, also called the Green City and a proud and powerful member of the Hanseatic League back in the Middle Ages. Bremen is located in the northwest of the country, close to Hamburg, and is famous for its fairy tales. The endpoint of a 600-kilometer fairy tale route is in Bremen. This route starts its way in the north of Hanau, passing through the settings and main characters of the famous stories of the Brothers Grimm. So I'm very curious what Bremen has to offer me. I'm staying here for a day. I'm now here in my hotel, priced by Radisson, and it's a 20-minute walk to the center. I stay here in this hotel for 54 euros a night, so it's pretty cheap. There's a very large car parking right in front of the hotel, so I can stay there. My car will be parked for like 24 hours here in Bremen, and I have to pay this amount. And yeah, it's right next to the train station of Bremen, so after I put my luggage in my car, I have to go to the station, pass the station, and go to the city center. Because it's a really green city, we start our stroll in the Wallenlagen Park. After that we go more to the center of the city, to the Rathauplatz. And yeah, it's in the middle of December, so there are Christmas markets here. So we're also going to stroll around to the Christmas market of Bremen and try some delicious German food. Now I'm going to check out here and put my bags back in the car, because after this day I'm going back to Belgium. Tomorrow I have to work. So I say goodbye to my room, which was very nice. And yeah, let's go. My hotel, and I parked my car here at this very large parking lot. My bags away and lock my car, and off we go, off to the station. There you have it, the Hauptbahnhof, the train station of Bremen. We just have to pass the station. So here on the outside of the train station, you already find a couple of Christmas stalls, but also a really beautiful building, this train station. So here we are in the Wallenlagen Park. It's a green belt along the center of Bremen, and you can find the Wallenlagen Mill. Look how beautiful. There is also a restaurant, and the mill is open for public. It was a few centuries ago that the Müller family moved onto the hill. Bexmühle, Bremen. At first sight I thought it was a homeless guy, but it's a statue of a guy with his shopping cart in the cold, in the freezing cold. Very nice to stroll around here. It's a 50-minute walk, and then I'm in the Schnoor district. And there you have the Kunsthalle. And here you have the Library of Bremen. What a cozy alley. Now I can continue here inside. So the Schnorr district is the oldest part here in Bremen. It's a pleasure to walk around in those narrow streets here and soak up the medieval atmosphere. Many old crafts were carried out here in this district, especially related to the Bremerhaven and fishing.
He's so lonely, needs my company. Dances slowly with me and calms me like the sea. Tells me about his broken dreams. Says he wishes he met me back then. Things were more simple, things were more carefree. I wish you met me when we were younger. I wish you met me when I was sober and not as guarded as I seem now. I just wish somehow
Cozy restaurant. And the alleys keep getting narrower at the minute. Really beautiful, the Schnorr here in Bremen. Also a very small district, but literally every corner on this place is yeah, so beautiful. Now we continue towards the main square of Bremen, where you can find so many highlights of the city. Here we pass the St. John's Church. Sácame una foto con escoba. So you can find the fountain of the 7 lazy brothers. Very nice street to walk around, the Butcherstraße. And now we are here on a main square where you can also find the Christmas market. What a beautiful square.
Das ist Dezember.
Einfach oder so ganz normal?
Look how beautiful the Marktplatz of Bremen is. And there you have the Roland statue, designed in 1404 and the symbol of urban freedom, also on the UNESCO World Heritage List.
Buranın kara numaraları şeyleri.
The Altes Rathaus, the old town hall. The Rathaus is located on a market square and consists of an old and a new part. The old part is even on the UNESCO World Heritage List. So there you have the Rathaus, and on the opposite of the Rathaus you'll find the Guildhall here on the market square. So this beautiful Guildhall was built by Johann den Büchner in 1537 in the Flemish Renaissance style. So here you can find the famous Bremer Hall. Throw a coin in it and you can hear one of the 4 voices from the Bremer musicians. The St. Peter's Cathedral, built in the 11th century, is best known for its impressive ceiling paintings located on the Rathausplatz. The church with its 2 tall towers is an impressive sight. Let's have a look inside. Really worth a visit. What a beautiful inside of the church. Behind me you also have heavily security for the Christmas market. During recent years all the terrorist attacks, it's not needed. Sad enough, we can't celebrate our religion and traditions in peace anymore. Here you have the Rathaus from its side, the beautiful green copper roof. And also a little market here It's already past 2 p.m. so they're packing their things, I think. So here you have the Bremer musicians. A donkey, a dog, a cat and a rooster standing on each other. It's probably the best known image of Bremen. In the early 19th century, the brothers Grimm wrote down the fairy tale of the Bremer musicians, and has been a true public favorite ever since. And here you have the Church of Our Lady. And with that, I think we saw most of the highlights here in the city of Bremen, at least the city center. Now I'm just going to stroll around the Christmas market for a bit, eat something, and then end the video. I've got myself a delicious pancake. I'm now slowly going back to the train station through the main shopping street here in Bremen, and end the video. I just saw someone got arrested with a massive hammer. It's crazy. So we are back at the Hauptbahnhof, the train station of Bremen. We had a wonderful day. I would definitely recommend Bremen to my friends and family, especially like mid-November until after the holidays with the Christmas markets. It's so nice here. Have a pleasant stroll around the Snor and the center of the city. Enjoy the Christmas markets, and if you are here in the summer, then maybe have a visit to Bremerhaven. It's just 30 minutes outside the city. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and a reaction in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Location, and I will see you again. You know the location. Ciao.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.